everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to do a simple bridesmaid makeup look. But before going to the makeup part, I wanna make sure that my skin stays hydrated even after applying makeup. So first of all, I'm gonna apply Pure Glow Face Serum from WishCare. This is vitamin C serum. 2 pumps are sufficient for the whole face. I do apply the serum on my neck as well, especially at night before going to the bed. It has an orangey scent which I like. I've been using it for like a month now, more than a month, and I think it is helping, increasing the brightness near my neck area, because my neck is actually darker than my face. My under eye area is a little bit brighter than before, and also my neck area looks brighter than before. So I think this is a pretty good serum to bring glow to the face and also brighten some areas of your face which are dark. After that, I'm gonna moisturize my face with NIVEA's soft moisturizer. This is a truly lightweighted moisturizer and I like it for summer. It does not make my skin greasy but moisturizes the skin for a very long time. For foundation, I'm gonna use e.l.f. Flawless Satin Foundation. I need to shake it well because the product inside lumps up, and if you use without shaking, the oil and the product look separate. I'm taking 2 pumps of it because I'm gonna apply on my neck as well. So before going with the blender, I like to spread the foundation all over the face. Not all over the face, at least half of my face. Now I'll buff everything into the skin with the help of a sponge. I want to make sure everything is blended on the sides of the nose. See, once you spread the foundation on your skin, it is very easy to blend it with a sponge. I always use this technique with a foundation having cream-like texture, not very liquidy, because liquid foundation does not need any extra effort to blend, but this is kind of a semi-liquid. And you need to apply the foundation on your neck as well, and also on your back. Sometimes I also apply a little bit of foundation on my back because my back will be visible after wearing the blouse, and there is a huge color difference between the skin of my back and my face, so I have to do it. Now I'll shape my brows with Sugar's Arch Arrival Brow Definer. I like to shape the brows with a pencil first, and then I'll apply a cream product that will enhance the color of my eyebrows. Now I'll apply PAC's brow cream to deepen the color of my brows. To do so, I'm using a very thin flat brush. I'll draw some brush-like strokes. And it is mandatory to clean the brows to remove any brush strokes that you accidentally made. And your brows look sharp after cleaning the sides with a concealer. And it will look much better if you drag the concealer down and diffuse it. Now to cover dark spots on my skin or the places that could not be covered with the foundation, I'm gonna use PAC's Take Cover Concealer in the shade Greeny Yellow. So it is gonna be a yellow concealer, which is definitely gonna brighten the skin. So I'm gonna put some here on the puffiness and on the side of my eye. I like this concealer but it dries very quickly, so I'll blend this area first and then I'll apply it on some other areas like high points of my face. Let me blend this first. I'm using PAC's 219 brush, concealer brush. This is a great brush. If you do not have this, please get one because it makes the blending very easy. I realize a sponge cannot blend concealer as good as this brush. I'll be applying a little bit on the eyelids. This is gonna act like a primer and my eyeshadows are gonna pop up, you know, more distinctly. I wanna brighten the nose bridge, the center of my forehead, tip of my nose, the chin area, the smile line. Not too much. You can see my face is glowing instantly. It is all because of that yellow color concealer. Now before setting my face with the powder, I would like to apply my cream blush and cream contour. I do not have a cream blush, but I use L'Oreal's lipstick, liquid lipstick in the shade Amaze. This is from their Rouge signature range and the color is very pretty to be used as a blush. So I'm gonna apply a little bit here, a little bit here, and also here. So I'm going to use the same brush from PAC because this is also good for applying blush, cream blush. Here I'll first spread the product on the right place and then I'm gonna buff it so that it goes into the skin and looks as if it is my skin's natural color. Now I'll contour my face with this K-Beauty contour stick and I'll apply a very little amount just to add structure. I actually like to shape my cheeks with a blush first and then I see if I want to have structured cheekbones. I'll contour my nose to make it thinner and higher. Very little amount of contouring on the forehead and on the chin, and I'll use the same brush to blend this out. I like to use this brush to blend cream products on small areas. I would use this brush for blending foundation as well, but that would take so much of time. See how seamlessly everything blends. I'm not gonna drag anything towards this part because my face is narrow and long. If I bring it here, it will make my face even more longer and look longer and make it look like more narrow. And I like to do this so that everything looks cohesive. And I'm going to use a small brush to blend the contour on my nose because these are very narrow lines and I want them to be narrow so that my nose looks smaller and slimmer. The contour on my forehead, I'm blending it outwards towards my hairline. Now it's time for highlighter, and for highlighter also I like to apply something creamy or a liquid. Unfortunately, currently I do not have anything like a cream highlighter or a liquid highlighter, So what I'm gonna do is mixing my powder highlighter with a setting spray on the back of my hand and then apply it. I'll spray some setting spray on the hand. Then I use this highlighter from Sugar Cosmetics. The shade is Champagne. And I'll take a flat brush like this one. Swipe the brush on the product and then I'll mix it with the setting spray. Look, it turns into a liquid highlighter. It looks like a liquid highlighter when you apply it on the cheeks. Can you see this? Can you see this? I like it. This way your highlighter will look like the glow within your skin because it goes inside the skin rather than sitting on the skin like a powder highlighter. Now I think my base looks really good. I'll just set my face with a powder now because all the cream products are done. I'll use Maybelline's Fit Me Loose Powder. With the powder on the brush, I'll touch only few areas, to be precise the places where I applied concealer before. On the blush and contour areas, I'll apply a powder blush and a powder contour to set those areas. So powder is only for these areas where I have creases, and these areas also get oily very easily in compared to the rest of my face. Let's move on to eye makeup, and I'm going to use Makeup Revolution's Reloaded Neutrals 2 palette. Even though this is a bridesmaid's makeup look, but the eye makeup is going to be very simple because I believe that to look beautiful you do not always need to create a glittery gorgeous eye makeup. It is just the mixing and matching of colors that is going to make you look gorgeous. But before starting, I'll just apply some powder on the eyelids to make my eyelids smooth and easy to apply eyeshadows, and also look for any creases you have on your eyelids and make them disappear. I'll apply this orange shade on my eyelid. Then I'll apply this light peachy shade as my transition shade above the crease line. Application of powder shadows is done. I'm just gonna apply a liner from Maybelline. Now if you want to apply a kajal, you can do that, but I'm just gonna keep my lower lash line as it is and will go on with my mascara. And if you're not applying a kajal just like me, go with a voluminous mascara. This one is from Sugar. make your lashes look longer, you can use the tip of the brush and apply on one by one lashes. My eye makeup is done. I just have to apply false eyelashes that I'll apply at the end. But now I'll set my bronzer and the blusher. For blush, I'm gonna apply Sugar's mini blush in the shade Salmon Superstar. This is a peachy orange kind of a blush. I just touch this area very lightly. Now I'll look straight and smile. And I'll apply blush on the apple of the cheeks. For bronzer, I'm gonna use another product from Sugar. This is their Taupe Topper. The shade is Taupe Topper and it is a mini bronzer. Yeah, mini bronzer. And I'm gonna apply only on those areas where I previously applied contour. For my lips, I'm gonna apply Sugar's transfer proof lipstick in the shade Red Zeppelin, and look how vibrant it is. I generally do not apply such a deep red shade, but it should look good with sari. This stick, however, is very fragile, so to avoid any risk of breaking it, I'm going to use a flat lip brush. Oh, before I apply the lipstick, I have to remove the gloss that I'm wearing right now. My lips are very moisturized, so I can take this off and apply this matte lipstick. So my makeup is done for today. I'll wear my sari and some pieces of oxidized jewelry and I'll show you the final look. You can keep your hair open and have some loose curls, or you can tie your hair in a low bun. I'm tucking a piece of flower into my bun to have that wedding vibe. Don't forget to like this video and also subscribe for more makeup tutorials. Take care of yourself and smile often. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.